Good morning, Colby. What are you looking at? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you have all your animals over there? Oh, you dropped your glowworm out. Look at them. Daddy lined them all up. There's your doggy. Huh? Can I see your face? Colby, look at Mommy. Good morning. Hi. What do you think? Huh? Oh, there's your pillow. Aw. You like your pillow, don't you? You gonna go back to sleep? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, throw it out. Uh-oh. Hi. Oh. Uh-oh. And your glowworm? Whoa. Now what? Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know. Okay, say goodbye, Colby.
Colby, say bye-bye.
Colby, look at Mommy.
Hey.
You're looking at those animals.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.